Mastering meditation for enhanced concentration. Opening scene. Visual, a serene environment with soft, calming music. Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the transformative practice of meditation to boost concentration. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone seeking mental clarity, this guide is for you. Segment 1: Understanding Meditation and Concentration. Visual, brain graphics showing neural connections strengthening. Meditation is a practice that trains the mind to focus and redirect thoughts. Regular meditation can enhance concentration by reducing mind wandering and promoting sustained attention. Segment 2: Preparing for meditation. Visual, a person setting up a quiet space with a cushion and dim lighting. Begin by selecting a quiet, comfortable space free from distractions. Sit in a position that allows relaxation without inducing sleepiness. Consistency is key, so aim to meditate at the same time daily. Segment 3: Focused Attention Meditation. Visual, a person sitting with eyes closed, focusing on their breath. One effective technique is focused attention meditation. Here's how to practice it. 1. Posture: sit comfortably with your spine straight and hands resting on your lap. 1. 2. Breathing: close your eyes and take deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. 3. Focus: direct your attention to the sensation of breathing. 3. Feel the air entering and leaving your nostrils. 4. Mindfulness: when your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the breath without judgment. Regular practice of this meditation strengthens your attention span and reduces distractions. Segment 4: Tritaka, candle gazing, meditation. Visual, a lit candle in a dim room. Another powerful method is Tritaka, or candle gazing meditation. 1. Setup: place a lit candle at a level about 2 feet away. 2. Gazing: sit comfortably and focus your gaze on the flame without blinking. 3. Visualization: after a few minutes, close your eyes and visualize the flame in your mind's eye. 4. Repetition: repeat this process, which enhances visual concentration and mental clarity. Tritaka is known to improve concentration and cognitive function. Segment 5: Alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shogana. Visual, a person practicing alternate nostril breathing. Incorporating breathwork like alternate nostril breathing can balance the mind and enhance focus. 1. Position: sit comfortably with a straight spine. 2. Hand placement: use your right thumb to close your right nostril. 3. Inhale: breathe in slowly through your left nostril. 4. Switch: close your left nostril with your right ring finger, release your right nostril. 5. Exhale: breathe out slowly through your right nostril. 6. Repeat. Continue this pattern, alternating nostrils, for several minutes. This technique calms the mind and improves concentration. Segment 6: Integrating meditation into daily life. Visual, a person meditating at different times of the day. To reap the full benefits. Consistency: practice daily, even if only for a few minutes. Mindfulness: incorporate mindfulness into everyday activities like eating or walking. Patience: progress takes time, be patient with yourself. Visual: A person smiling, appearing focused and content. By dedicating time to meditation, you can enhance your concentration, leading to improved productivity and a more balanced life. Start your meditation journey today and experience the profound benefits it offers. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to our channel for more insights into mindfulness and well-being.